Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike Air Max 180 shoes. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So this pair of Nike Air Max 180 shoes is in the black pink blast wolf grey colorway, and it's in the UK size 7 or US size 8. And taking a look at the base or underside of the box, there are some brand details. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by, of course, flipping up the box lid and peeling back the wrapping paper to reveal the pair of Nike Air Max 180 shoes in the black pink blast wolf grey colorway. So now giving you a close-up look at the pair before I start handling it and my fingers get in the way. Okay, so let's lift out the left foot side or left hand side and set the box to the side. We'll have a look at the other side in just a few moments. Let's focus on the left foot side or left hand side pair. So as you can see, the wonderful colors, very striking colors in this style with the black pink blast wolf grey colorway. So the Nike Air Max 180 is one of Nike's most iconic models. It's been around since 1991, so that makes a total of 28 years since its release. And this is just one of very many colorways or styles. Currently, you're able to find them in a white, ultramarine, SLR red colorway, as well as black, team orange, university red fire, as well as ocean bliss, metallic silver, igloo ice, and string rust pink, baroque brown colorway. So those are the current colorways for the Nike Air Max 180. And this has the synthetic upper as well as the leather upper as well. So it's a combination of synthetic and leather upper, whereas other models do have just a purely synthetic or fabric upper. And so you can see the very iconic 180-degree air cushioning from Nike in the Nike Air Max 180 series. Giving you that close-up look. So this is in the UK size 7 or US size 9. And in the black pink blast wolf grey colorway. So I'm going to give you some close-up looks in just a moment. I'm just going to handle this left foot side or left hand side for right now. And you can see that the Nike swoosh has a patent leather finish, or at least it does have a very glossy surface to it, as well as the bottom heel area, and giving you a close-up look at that tongue there with the Nike 180 Air branding on it. And of course taking a frontal view as well at the toe of this pair of Nike Air Max 180. And now just giving you that close-up detail as I move or pan this side of the shoe to the camcorder, so you can see the Nike Air stitching there, along with that 180 on the sole. And I'll continue to rotate So looking on the inner side of the shoe, once again with that pink or very striking Nike swoosh there, matching the inner colors of the Nike 180 Air Max cushioning right there. So it's nice to see those matching details. And now giving you a look from the top as I slowly move the shoe across the camcorder. So a nice good look there, and you can see it does have quite thick padding around the ankle and heel area. And so giving you as much close-up detail as I can to this pair of Nike Air Max 180 in the black pink blast wolf grey colorway. And once again showing you in close-up detail how the light plays on that very glossy finish or surface of that Nike swoosh there. Lots of contrast there, as you can see, against the matte leather as well as the synthetic upper combination. And of course, very importantly, looking at the sole of the shoe right here, you can see the tread pattern. Interesting to see that it does have a glossy finish around certain segments of the sole. And just do a quick hand test of the flexibility. So right there, of course, the stuffing is still inside the shoe. You can hear or see it just there. So right there, just a quick hand test of the flexibility of the sole there, just pushing the shoe together from the front and back. Okay, so a very, very cool colorway with those striking details. Very little contrast to it, but very high. And now let's go ahead and pop open the other side, but just one more quick look. Before I pop the other side out. Okay, so that's the right hand side. Let's now remove the right foot side. And set the box to the side. So we've just seen the left foot side. Now let's focus on the right foot side. So of moving around to do, let's just set that on that side so it doesn't get too confusing. Okay, so now we're looking, let's find a spot somewhere without the pair of shoes blending into each other. So right there, hopefully, gives you a look on the right foot side or right hand side now. So of course we're looking once again close up at the details and giving you an all-round look. And we'll take a close-up look as well. So once again, this is in the UK size 7 or US size 8. And the black Pink Blast Wolf Grey colorway. And you can see on the insole, on this side, the Nike International. Not quite sure how well you can see that right there. On the insole of this pair of Nike Air Max 180. Okay, let's take a quick look on the underside. Right there on the sole of the shoe. And now let's set it down and take a quick look at the pair. So you can see the insides and outsides of the pair of Nike Air Max 180 together in good detail. And of course, side by side and lined up nicely as well. Right there. So nice and up close. And let's just pull out the stuffing on the left foot side and take a quick peek inside and see what we can see. Don't think we can see too much with the camcorder, but nonetheless, let's peek inside, see what we can find. So obviously it has the, once again, that Nike International insole right there that we saw earlier on the right foot side. And this time around, looking in the left foot side, you can see that the tongue is actually very thinly padded or thinly lined. However, the rest of the shoe has a decent amount of padding right there. Okay, so nice, good look right round the Nike Air Max 180 in the black Pink Blast Wolf Grey colorway. I'm just going to do a quick rotation this way, just so you can see what's what. Right there with both pairs in good clear view. So that's Nike Air Max 180 in the black Pink Blast Wolf Grey colorway. Thanks for watching and happy walking!